Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. For that, open your WhatsApp application and go to the settings, which is on the right corner of your screen. Then go to chats and then go to chat backup. Here you click on the chat backup, then it will start backing up your chats. Once you are done with this, go back to your home page and press hard on WhatsApp and remove this app. Once this is done, go to your app stores and search for WhatsApp and then reinstall your WhatsApp again. Then, if you check the messages, then messages are back up. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.